Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to throw a Frisbee golf disc straight, easy method. Square your shoulders to the target, grip the rim lightly with fingertips, and keep your wrist firm but relaxed as you step forward. Focus on a smooth, level release with a flat palm, follow through toward the line, and finish balanced. Practice short, controlled throws, increasing power only when accuracy is consistent and gradually. Start with a neutral grip. Place fingertips under the rim and rest the thumb on top for control and feel. Align your feet shoulder-width apart, step out with your front foot, and rotate hips into the throw while keeping the disc level. Aim your follow-through down the target line, maintain steady eye focus, and breathe out on release to reduce tension and promote a clean, straight flight today. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tips and drills. Quick recommendation. Bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers I used between practice rounds. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab a set if you like them. They save time, prevent spills, and free your mind for focusing on form. Thanks for watching, enjoy the practice, and now let's get back to the video. Check the disc angle. Keep the rim parallel to the ground at release to minimize unwanted hyzer or anhyzer angles. Use short bench throws to build muscle memory, then try a straight layup drill at 30 to 50 feet focusing on flat releases. Record yourself or have a partner watch for wrist roll, elbow extension, and follow through, then adjust grip pressure and release timing until the disc maintains a true straight line.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.